My name is Peter Black and I'm the Welsh Liberal Democrat Assembly Member for South Wales West. I was elected to the Assembly in 1999. Before that, I was a civil servant with Swansea Land Registry and also a Swansea councillor. I first became interested in politics at the age of 14 during the three-day week and the 1974 miners' strike. I even canvassed the Liberal candidate in the October general election of that year. I did not join the Liberal Party formally though until I came to Swansea University in 1978. I was involved in student politics and on leaving university became more active in the local Liberal Party. This is also about the time of the formation of the SDP, though I never really got involved with them. I always say that I did not choose a career in politics, rather it chose me. My philosophy is simple. If you believe in a cause, then you have a duty to do something about it. Thus I first stood for Swansea Council in 1983, winning with over 2/3 of the vote the following year in what was once a safe Labour seat. And then when the Assembly came along, resigned my civil service post to stand there as a list candidate. The area I represent stretches from Llanharry to Rhossili and includes Swansea, Neath, Talbot, Bridgend, Maesteg and the associated valley communities. I have an office in Swansea and can be contacted there on 01792 536353. I can also be contacted in my Cardiff office on 02920 898 744. You can write to me at the Assembly or email me at peter.black@wales.gov.uk. I hold regular surgeries around my region and publish details on my website, which is www.peter-black.net. You can also read my blog at www.peterblack.blogspot.com. My main interests as an Assembly member are housing, social justice and local government. I'm committed to tackling homelessness, improving the availability of affordable housing and giving people more power to influence the decisions that affect them and their community. I hope to achieve that by pressing for changes in the law, influencing government policy and spending priorities and helping out my many constituents with their problems. That is why I came into politics in the first place, to make a difference to the society I live in and to help improve the quality of people's lives. Please get in touch if I can help you.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.